In this tutorial, I'm going to look at creating anchors. Anchors are a type of hyperlink which is used to link to a different part of the same page. This is commonly used in something like a frequently asked questions where you have a lot of information which can't be broken up into separate pages. So with our sample frequently asked questions, what I'm going to do is you'll see that I've got my list of questions at the top and my answers underneath. So in order to link to an anchor point, I first need to create it. I'm going to do that by putting my cursor at the start of the word answer to. I'm not going to actually select the word answer to and create the anchor on that, because it actually acts like a hyperlink, which means that it would change color, have any sort of rollover effect or underline that would go with a normal anchor. So what we need to do is we need to create an empty or an invisible point of reference. So we can do that just by placing our cursor at the place that we want to do. Right, opening Hyperlink Manager, you'll see that you have three tabs across the top. We're going to go to the one called Anchors, and there's a name field, and in it we're just going to pop in the word answer to. Choosing OK, I'm then going to scroll back up to the top of the page where I have question 2, selecting the text, then again choosing Hyperlink Manager, and this time staying on the Hyperlink tab that comes up by default. You'll see there's a section there called Existing Anchor. Clicking on the drop-down list, you'll see that answer to, the anchor we made earlier, is now appearing within that list. Clicking on it and choosing OK has made the hyperlink now jump to the anchor point that we've made below. I'm going to save that page, use the preview feature, and what you'll see is our page in the actual website. Clicking on answer to has jumped me down, question 2 has jumped me down to answer to. You can obviously build up questions over time as the page would get longer and longer. It might be advisable to create a top of the page anchor point and have some text at the bottom that says back to top and then link back up to the questions. That way it just saves the user from scrolling up and down every time they want to click on a different question. But that's all you need to know about anchors. Thank you for watching this tutorial.